Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into the best Arm & Hammer Fridge Fresh, the compact yet powerful solution for keeping your refrigerator smelling fresh and clean. Whether you're battling lingering food odors or just want to maintain that crisp, clean fridge scent, this product is a go-to choice trusted by households across the country. Now let's get into it. First, let's talk about what makes this product stand out. This is the Arm & Hammer Fridge Fresh Refrigerator Deodorizer, and the pack we're looking at comes with 2 units. Each unit is designed to neutralize odors inside your refrigerator using the natural power of baking soda, a method that's been tried and trusted for generations. But what sets this apart from just opening a box of baking soda? The innovation in design. The Fridge Fresh unit is uniquely engineered with a vented design that allows for maximum airflow, ensuring odors are eliminated from every corner of your fridge. It's flat and compact, making it easy to place in different spots, on a shelf, in the crisper drawer, or even in the door bin. That flexibility in placement means it doesn't take up valuable space, and it works continuously in the background without any effort on your part. This particular version has a special fast refresh feature. What does that mean? It means the deodorizing action begins immediately upon activation. You simply peel the tab and stick it in. There's no need for pouring, no messy cleanups, just a simple peel and go solution. And with the Arm & Hammer reputation behind it, you know you're getting a product that's backed by decades of odor fighting science. Another smart touch is the replacement indicator. It reminds you when it's time to change out the unit, usually every 30 days for optimal freshness. So there's no second guessing. You don't need to remember how long it's been since you put it in. The system takes care of it for you. As for installation, there's no assembly or tools required. It's a freestanding unit that can be placed anywhere inside the fridge. Its small, white disc design blends in neatly with most refrigerator interiors. And it's totally safe to use near any kind of food product, produce, dairy, meat. It won't affect flavor or freshness. In terms of value, getting 2 units in one pack means you're set for at least 2 months, or you can use both simultaneously if you have a larger fridge or even a freezer. The compact configuration is freezerless, which just means it's ideal for refrigerators that don't have a freezer compartment, though it works just as well in standard ones too. And here's something that often goes overlooked. This is a clean solution. You're not masking odors with artificial fragrances. You're actually removing them at the source using Arm & Hammer's time-tested baking soda formula. No perfumes, no chemicals, just real deodorizing that works. So who is this product for? It's for anyone who cooks often, stores leftovers, or just wants to avoid the embarrassment of a smelly fridge. Whether you're a busy parent, a college student with limited fridge space, or someone who just appreciates a clean kitchen environment, the Arm & Hammer Fridge Fresh is your silent, invisible helper. To wrap up, easy to use, cost-effective, mess-free, and efficient, this really is the best Arm & Hammer Fridge Fresh on the market today. It's a perfect example of how a small product can make a big difference in your everyday life. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you've tried this product yourself. See you in the next review.